Hi, welcome to the shop. My name is Heiko. Today I want to talk about your push stick.
Cut.
Today I want to show you my big push stick.
Cut.
Hi, today I want to talk about a new push stick design I made with unique safety features and an upgrade to an existing design. Both will let you work more safe and give you a better result. So stay tuned. There are many push stick designs out there. They're one, a matter of personal taste, and two, for different cutting situations. Key to a safe use, in my opinion, is the right height adjustment of the saw blade. For me, works best to let stick one full sawtooth out of the material. I started with a 1-inch thick piece of plywood or laminated wood, and I took the first measurement, that is the maximum rip capacity of my saw. Then I painted 2 lines in a 30-degree angle. That will be my handle afterwards. Next you need a hardwood dowel. Mine was 13 millimeters or around about half an inch thick, and I took 1 inch that I made thinner. For this job now you can use a table saw, or like I did, my improvised wood lathe. In the rear part of the push stick I drilled a hole with the size of the dowel. Later I glued a piece of PVC pipe in to make a kind of stepped hole and prevent the dowel from falling through it. So at the end only the thinner part of the dowel will stick out of the push stick. To glue the rubber to the wood I used super glue. To reduce the cure time you can use expensive activator spray or a very thin layer of wood glue. Gravity is enough to pull down the dowel, but I like more the force of a spring, so I used a spring that I scavenged from an old printer. Later in that process, as I developed this kind of stick, I drilled a hole through that cover and even in the dowel. So I extended the original safety dowel that just grabs the piece of wood I want to cut, to have a visible safety pin on top. Okay, some explanations how this whole thing works. The push stick itself, nothing magical on it. You just put it onto your workpiece. Thing is that this rubber surface is kind of sticky, so even now I can just move the workpiece around. I can see from here that this little safety pin, I will zoom in a bit, is still sticking out. So I know that the anchor dowel is not down there to catch the workpiece. But if I move backwards, now I see, even if I do not check down here, because my angle of view I can't see the dowel, the anchor dowel down here, but I can see it up here, that the pin and the anchor dowel is down there and grabbing the workpiece. So that is the beauty of that. So if I push that forward and zack, you know, then I know that I catch the workpiece with the anchor dowel. for this mod now, I used a very basic push stick, a piece of wood with a notch in the front and a rounded end for smoother handling. I made use of the groove in my table saw, as most saws have one, to create a kind of featherboard substitute. I wanted to screw a washer to the dowel I used as an anchor. To do that safely and to easily clamp that washer, I just used a piece of wood and 3 screws. So 2 new safety features from my side this time. This anchor dowel design, however, fits in other push stick designs as well. So feel free to adjust it to your needs. If you like that video, give me a thumbs up, post a comment below. Feel invited to the channel and subscribe if you haven't already. I hope I see you soon. Happy crafting!